You may wonder how I ended up in this position. It's quite a long story actually.
Well, I'm glad you asked. So I have a bad habit of scrolling through Marktplaats, which is a Dutch secondhand like marketplace on the internet. And it's like the most magical place on the internet. You can buy the most random things from like electronics parts to controllers to like hardware to like motors, actuators, you name it, they have it. Like it's crazy what people sell on the internet. So one day when I was doom scrolling through Marktplaats, I found a guy who was selling his unfinished laser project as like an entire set. And this guy designed this machine from scratch in like exactly almost the same configuration as I wanted, with like the same parts from the same manufacturers, like the same extrusions that I wanted, the same motors that I want, the same controller that I want, the same tube that I want. It was crazy. It was a crazy find, unbelievable. And also, the best part is for an incredibly good price. And the funny thing is, this guy was living like 20 minutes from the workshop. It was crazy. So I shot this guy a message and he replied to me almost like instantly. So, and yeah, I just took the bike and I just like went straight to Rotterdam. And as soon as I met this guy, I shook hands with him for like instantly making the deal. And this guy was selling his machine, I kid you not, because his wife thought the machine was taking too much space in the attic, and that's why he had to sell this machine. I couldn't believe it. What the hell? How does this even happen? Like, it's crazy. So yeah, that's basically like the backstory behind this laser cutter and how I got it. Basically, like it was crazy. So yeah.